Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about my lip fillers. Now, I got my lip fillers done yesterday and I cannot tell you how ecstatic I am about them. I'm just so over the moon. They look absolutely beautiful and I'm just looking at myself in the viewfinder now and they just look insane. Now, I just want to give you a bit of a backstory. I got my lips done yesterday and I have been wanting to get my lips done for, it sounds really strange me saying this because it's been a thought of mine for so long and I just haven't had the guts to actually do it. So I had a consultation about a week ago for my lips and I got them done at my place of work, which it's such a peace of mind to know that I've got them done at somewhere that I work because I really trust the place that I work and I trust the doctor that did my lips and I just could not be any happy with how they've turned out. I just think they look beautiful. They are slightly swollen and they will go down, but I really don't want them to because I just think they look so nice how they are now. I'm just so ecstatic and over the moon with how they've turned out. The pain was very minimal. The lady really took care of the pain and she put a lot of anaesthetic cream, like a cream number. I don't know what it's called, to numb my mouth so I wouldn't feel any pain, which was really nice. And it literally just felt like a prick, like a tiny little prick of a needle. Now, I just want to talk to you about the procedure. So I had them done yesterday and I've been wanting to get my lips done for such a long time and I was just debating, should I, shouldn't I? And I just thought, you know what? You only live once and it is temporary. They last about 6 to 9 months. And I just thought, why not? Great. They are a temporary thing. So I wasn't really, they last about 6 to 9 months. So I wasn't really that worried about getting them done. I was just worried that I might just look completely different afterwards, but I just don't think I do. I really cannot get enough of them. I just can't stop looking at them. They make my lips look so plump. They look so desirable. They just kind of they've changed my face shape, I think. And when you put makeup on, it just makes your lipstick just glide on your lip liner. It just looks, your mouth just looks so much more supple and really just makes it just, I don't know, it's just something in the product that makes your lips just kind of juicy and shiny and really supple. So I'm just really over the moon. Now I've given you a bit of an inside of my lips. I'm going to just talk you through what I'm wearing because I love to do this. It's just what I do. So on my face, I'm wearing my Jewel palette from Morphe and I'm just wearing the terracotta shade and it's really gorgeous. It's such a warm kind of colour for winter. I'm wearing my Jeffree Star highlighter, which I've got here. Supreme Frost. It's really beautiful. It's just blinding. And I'm wearing 2 new lip products from Jeffree Star as well. And I'm wearing Jeffree Star Cosmetics in Allegedly, this lip liner. And I just think this looks so amazing. How cool does this look? This little dome. It just makes it kind of look like the Louis Vuitton lipsticks, is it? And I just love the design. It's beautiful. So I've got this on as a lip liner and I have got this lipstick here from Max Factor as the base, Rosewood in 033, and I'll just add some more on. And it just makes my lips really luscious and I love the shine. It's very soft, very buttery. And it's a lovely smell as well, lovely scent, this lipstick. Really love that. And also I have another lip product from Jeffree Star and that I recently bought, and this is called Deceased. And it's a lovely kind of, yeah, like a deceased colour, if you know what I mean. It's a kind of like an orbandy, grey, kind of I think they call it greige, do they? Like a greige, grey, beige kind of lavender colour. And I'm not wearing that today because I just don't think it would match the look. But, you know, I'm absolutely obsessed with Jeffree Star. I love his products. They're just really, really amazing. So that's the makeup. And jewellery-wise, I'm wearing these really large hoops, gold hoops. And this gold necklace here. It's coming off quite silver. It's like a light gold kind of choker, kind of link choker, which is new. So, oh, these earrings keep falling off. It's so annoying. Like, God. I'm talking about earrings and they're falling off. So, yeah. And I'm also wearing this this shirt from Boohoo, and it's a leopard print, and I really, really, really like this. It's really, really gorgeous. I love how it looks. And my hair, I've sort of got my extensions in, my beautiful extensions, and the light is not, it's not coming across that pink in this light, but it's kind of a icy pinky hue to it, which it's not supposed to be, but I think because it's so ashy, the camera picks up kind of pinky light hues. So, oh, I've not spoken about my nails. My nails, I've got my nails done 2 days ago, and I'm back to, oh, you can't really tell on here, they're quite dark. Let me put a piece of paper. There we go. And the colour was called Queen of Grape. So it's a grape kind of burgundy, aubergine kind of colour. And I love them. They're so, what's the word? Autumnal. I really, really like them. I think they look so gorgeous. And I went for a different shape, a coffin shape. Very autumnal. I can never say that word. And really, really nice. I've never had a colour like this before. It's kind of a glitter purple. Kind of shimmer. Beautiful. So happy with my nails. And I've actually gone to a different place because you probably remember me in every video moaning about how my nails broke, but because they're just so bad, they just broke so easily. I'm just looking at that candle. Should I light it for the video, or is that just too pretentious? Fuck it. I absolutely love this lighter that I have. It's like it's a USB lighter, so it's USB powered, and if you can see there, so I'll just pop this candle here. And it's a Christmas cookie candle, which I really, really love. Oh, that's nice. Looks kind of aesthetically pleasing. I'm really weird with stuff like that. I have to have everything right. So, can you see it? There we go. I'm just going to talk to you more about my lips, what I had done, what filler I had put in. So, it is a range of hyaluronic acid fillers for wrinkle lifting and anti-aging purposes. So hyaluronic acid is naturally present in the body. So we produce this when we are little, and over time it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. The fact that it's such a natural thing that you put in your lips, it was really reassuring for me, because I didn't want anything crazy going in my lips and thinking, oh my God, you know, have I ruined myself? So it's really, really, sorry, my hair. So the light has gone down as well. So it's just, I'm all over the place again today. I can't ever just sit down and be relaxed. I'm always like jittery because I'm so excited to talk to you, because you are like my friends. So I don't have many friends. And when I sit down and talk to you, I just feel like I have to just tell you everything. So that is the filler. It lasts 6 to 9 months, and I had 1 mil put in my lips, and I'm so over the moon with the results. I can understand how people want more done, because I really just would like more in now. It's kind of addictive, but I'm going to see how it settles in the next few weeks, and then maybe get another mil, I think. But I bet you all think, no, I don't need it. But I just really, really, I'm so over the moon with the results. I completely I completely recommend getting your lips done if you really, really want it. It's not as crazy as people make out. It's not a massive commitment. It's, you know, it's a temporary procedure, and if it's going to make your confidence higher, I think go for it. Anything else I've got to say about my lips? I don't know. yeah, so my doctor was very good at letting me know all the side effects, what would happen, all the, you know, precautions, because as much as it is a cosmetic procedure, it is still a risk, because, you know, you are putting something in your lips. You could still have, you know, allergic reactions, or so stuff could happen. So you need to take this as seriously as you would going in for an operation to, don't know, you know, like a heart operation or something. I know it sounds really dramatic, but it is still an operation. It still is a procedure. So you should really consider all the facts and all the risks. And my doctor was really, really amazing, and she let me know everything about, you know, what could happen, and I was really well prepped. And I think that's really important. Don't go into this willy-nilly. Take time and see if it's really for you, and just feel confident that this is what you want, because you are going to get the results. And if you go to an amazing doctor like I did, you're going to come out feeling, wow, I really feel like I've been looked after and taken care of. So I don't know if I've got anything else to say about my lips. Also, I have just a tiny clip of me getting my lips done, and I'll add it to this video. I just wanted to show you kind of what happens before. I was just a bit bored in the waiting room. Not in the waiting room, in the where is it? Where's the room that you get your lips done? In the, I don't know, in the room, surgery room. I was waiting for them to numb down. So I've got a little clip that I'm going to insert. Hey guys, so I'm now in the surgery room getting my lips done, and they're absolutely so swollen, so numb. I can't actually feel a thing. Wish me luck, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you like my lips. Let me know what you think. I don't want any nasty comments, but if I do get them, I don't give a shit, to be honest, because it's my life. So yeah, I hope you have an amazing, amazing week or weekend or whenever you're watching this. Nothing else to say, I don't think, is there. Thank you for all your support with all the videos and the subscriptions and the comments, and we are nearly at 2,000 followers, and I'm just cannot believe it. I really just cannot believe that I've got that many followers. Thank you so much for the support. You know, I've been through a lot in my life with not feeling like I have any friends or support, and I do feel like we are just really all a big family. It sounds really, really cheesy, and we all support each other, and that's what matters. So yeah, I've done enough rambling now. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.